Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Julia. Start off taking a slow, deep breath in and let it go, feeling your body soften just a little. You've found a quiet sanctuary here, a space where you can rest, breathe, and feel supported. I create gentle guided meditations to help ease anxiety, calm a busy mind, release tension, and help you sleep more peacefully. Everything here is made with warmth, care, and a steady, soothing pace, so you can unwind, settle, and come back to yourself at your own rhythm. There's no pressure, no expectation, just a calm space for you to feel held and supported. If you're looking for calm, healing, and inner peace, you're in the right place. Choose any meditation that speaks to you and take all the time you need. I'm really glad you're here.